Ogbuefi live in Eco Hotels and Suites from Onye to Lagos.
Almost got even now, water. If you need to go, it's one Obodo na town na Obodo Chuku. Obodo na Kusina Sani Mara. The movie never. I'm out of money never. Let them baby. They say we get show for Eco Hotel. I go buy clothes. I know one carry last. I don't see apple wash. I buy pineapple. Wash and wash. Lagos una dey try you. Lagos dey package. You get one girl what I toast today. Baby, how are you? He said, oh my God, I'm fine. What's your name? He said, oh, my name is Chelsea, but you can call me Cheche. I don't get that time, bro. You dey speak grammar give for the girl, you dey waste your time. And the girl, they want to call her, baby, excuse me. She go stop look you. Fabia. Mwapu, K4. He said, baby, my name is Calvin. I work with UBA. I think I like you. The girl go laugh you. Oh, baby, your man. Chioma, on a slow you go. As soon as you go, the girlfriend go reply her. I say, no, give me. I say, no, you go Kevin. Chioma, we are Bawalupa, Ogbuefi. And it's not get that time now. My friend, they talk about poverty. I know they pray my go heaven again. No? If I die, anywhere I see myself, I take. As far as I'm concerned, heaven will be boring. Waiting me. Abraham, Elijah, David, Jacob, they are for all white. Wait till me and they go to discuss for heaven. They go walk up, look me. Onye Obodo, they are all. Because how you go to heaven, you go relax. Abraham, now Abraham, go to clean house for you. Now money I dey pursue. See, if you dey go church, see. Everybody need money, even for my parish. Not be the way father they spray people when bring 3 million so. I'm gonna go to 1,000. It's a father money here. 3 million father go talk to a hype man. Can you ever check 3 million? Somebody son there goes in a gossip. Mitchell Hollow, I want Abraham, Isaac and Jacob. Father go shout. 3 men go pity father from back. Big men, if they walk out after your bosom. I want Saka can be Melanie. Father Lady, now call the 3 million. They go stand. Father go now call us. When we come out, say we stand up, stretch our hand for where they begin pray for them. We go pray. Father go speak all in Latin way in left for secondary school. Don't be known for this school. We gonna reply. We don't know what they speak. Immediately Father go we gonna reply waiting. For Father mind, waiting he speak. God bless you as you come out. They bring money, make what God they go. Forget these people we see behind. We go reply waiting. Father go once spray them holy water. See how Father they spray holy water for people who get money. That he help me with bottled water, stone me one. Father go bring can water like this. They go open and one. Voyage. Gacho ukwe ndị azụrazị ndị ahụ mmiri ofesara agbapụtara ha agbapụtago ndị ahụ anyị katọrọ atọ ndị ejiri ego ha anaghị ekwe hallelujah. You go see the Father big men because they starch clothes. Poor man. Father go threaten you. If you chop God, God go chop your own. Acts of Apostles chapter 1 verse 2. They put that in there, say, chop God, God will kill him. If you don't come out, you go die. All of us go come out. Nobody want die. Put hand, bring 1,000. Father go look us, corporate. Go look in the choir. Choir. Upe. In the choir, 2 upe in the poor man. Bala Fesa, Kike Yanni Guano, you can do the name of it. Father go come the man summer. Bala Fesa, Buta, Kike Buta. They go bring Buta. Bala Fesa, Kike Father go look, you carry that Buta, put for your head. We don't come, we say we don't come. Daddy, I hear you. I was born and brought up in Onitsha. If Baba, give me your car, borrow me your car. If you never come on Onitsha before, listen well. Look at me. There's a place in Onitsha called Ogbuefi. After Asaba, you see her bridge. Come enter Ogbuefi. You there at Ogbuefi, see person where we are camp like this. The person normal. You don't have problem. You see those guys when they wear cap for nature like this. They know they stand well. Once they say I'm going to their shirt go down, go back. Hey, I'm now. If they want water, my brother, run. But you know the worst people when they wear cap like this. Those ones, they know they talk, they know they see, but they know what's in the happen around. Those people, if you see them, don't run, miss. One guy from Benin, they make call. The guy there like this, they beside them. As he finish, waiting here now. Alova, wait here. When you hear wait here, carry your phone, give them, don't argue. Furniture, there's a difference between the 3 types of slab furniture. Mwagola is 1. Uogola is 2. Then they get Ususuagola. That one na Ola Bianca. Once they slap you that one, your wig must come out. Earlier, wait here. The guy they para. What are you doing? If we hear slap, tell them for you, they hear phone. Police in area, police look, see what thing go happen. Police get up, join our body, begin load car. Asaba, 100 and Asaba, they will load Asaba. Who did the rob? They call police. Police are thought what? Mwage. Asaba, they will load it. And I go back over. I want to appreciate all the women tonight. If you know you're a woman, please clap for yourself. They say out of 24 hours, use 20 hours, fear women. Use 4 hours, fear who no fear. Even God, they fear women. I will prove it to him. There's a way to do something for Nigeria will shock me. Now this former petroleum minister, Dizani. Now last week I did read about her. Come here, say the woman buy Brazil $12.5 million. How much be the breast when they inside that bra? When person go wear bra, if you go out and 2 naira now 9 billion. If I go with that woman, I don't go suck her breast, I go suck bra. You know what it mean, bra? And that woman go there like mid-50s or late 50s. In other words, the breast don't come down, you know. It can't use 9 billion. Those days. Fear women, God respect. God the fear women. Do you know why? The angel of God, God means Zachariah. Where in they do in Kene for synagogue. He say, your wife will conceive. He go bear his son, and you shall name him John. And Zechariah say, how? Say my wife don't reach menopause, past menopause, forget menopause. How possible? Angel verse, make him say you know go talk, you know go hear till they born the shine. The same angel come out, go meet Mary. All this one when Mary, the Bible they talk say he meet Mary, God they say, Hail Mary, full of grace. Say that angel is from Onitsha. Other female, which are Mary. Ta, Mary, I saw. Mary, Makatama. Mary, Mary, come back. Lord. Mary got the blood. They say, who am I? That the angel of God will greet me this way. He got the time and say, you shall conceive, bear a son, and you shall name him what? Emmanuel. Then the name you don't repeat what Ezekiel taught. He said, how come? I'm a virgin, and I plan to remain a virgin. How possible? The same thing when Ezekiel talk, angel come to explain to him. Say, no worry. The God will cover you. The Spirit of the Most High will cover you, and you shall conceive, and you shall bear a son. The miracle reply, I am the handmaid of the Lord. Maybe angel come out. That's to show you, say, God, they respect women. Fear woman. My mama do me something. She make it now. I love my mother that you. When I go to school, 1 + 1, I don't know. No, don't look like this. I'm a graduate. I'm already know. I studied geography and meteorology. But I don't know what it means, though. But I waiting I study. Now when I grow up, my papa look at me and say, what will you like when you grow up? I say medical doctor. My papa begin laugh me. Papa will bomb me. Because my papa don't say, it's not possible. It's not possible. For the where we grow. I grow in on the where they rub house by house. If they rub stuff for this house, the next day, they go start for this house. So if they don't rub now, if you wake up, you go stand for corridor, come greet your neighbor. Marketing, how are you? They rub now. Marketing go say yes. They rub now. So they go rub us. Marketing go say you don't see them. How much they rub now? He say 5,000. If you reach your town, they know they close door, open parlor, carry like 10,000 or 5,000, keep for them. Carry children, enter inside. Once they enter, who they here? Okay, madam, I hear religion. I hear you. They will not come out. I dropped this last one and I go. When I was in primary school where I attend, we have different types of prefects. We get shop prefects, lesson prefects, break prefects, this one prefect. I was the mess prefect. My work now, if person mess, my work now to smell students nash, to dictate who mess. I was so good at my work that other school, they don't borrow me. They don't hire me. Some school, they sign me. I become the ambassador. Once they don't tell you what say you mess as men nash, I know the date. The day why I stop am. One girl, Mary Jane Ogbuefi, very fat girl. We enter assembly. Lesson never starts. Input hand, bring flags, open them, na beans and plantain day inside. And chop them. Drink water, come do. 1 hour later, input hand, bring piri 150. Chop piri, do. We go break. This guy go buy boiled egg 5. I was lazy 5. Chop am, drink 1 full water, come do. We enter for break, from break. Her stomach come they do. We don't know what's in the come. Now that I know there are 2 types of mess. There are double silencer and head shakers. Double silencer, nobody will hear them, but he can smell. Nobody you go hear them, you go hear. At the end you go hear. But head shakers, everybody go hear them, but you know they smell. So when they hear the reason, one butterfly went down our class, just died through away. Teacher shout, hey! Who is that? SP! I said, my SP, my smell their nash. I said, everybody, Paul! Our teacher don't get head, we don't get head. I go put here, teacher go ask, is he him? I said, no, man. Is he she? I said, no, man. He gets one or make a wine. Teacher shout, is he she? I said, no, man. He reached this Mary Jane. I don't know what he do me, children of God. I reached this girl. I can't kneel down. Come hold her nyash. Open her skirt. Come draw one shimmy, come down. Draw pants, come down. I said, I do this thing. I don't know, say one mess, they warm up, they wait for me. That was the day I understood the true meaning of osmosis. The movement of water molecules from a region of lower concentration to a region of upper concentration through the semi-permeable. As the air vents, the mess enter my nose, smoke they come from my ear. Teacher they come SP and they hear echo. SP and they hear SP. Is she? I don't know why I say speak Lord, your servant is listening. Thank you very much. My name is Obodo.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Obodo.
Ogbuefi live in your hotels and suites from Onitsha to Lagos.